How to contact Jumptask support. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can contact Jumptask support. To contact Jumptask support, first of all, you will need to open your Jumptask application on your mobile device and here ensure that you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will land on this home page. Here at the top right, you will be able to find your profile icon. Go ahead and tap on your profile icon and this will take you to your profile page. Once you reach your profile page, here at the top right, just below the profile icon, you will be able to see the settings icon. Tap on this settings icon and then now you will reach to the account setting page. Here at the bottom, you will be able to see various options like terms of use, privacy policy, help center, and Jumptask.io. You will need to tap on this Help Center option. Once you tap on Help Center, now you will be taken to the Help Center page. In this page, at the top right, you will be able to find the button Contact Support. Go ahead and tap on this button at the top right, and now you will be taken to this page. From here, now you can submit a request to Jumptask in order to contact them. Scroll down and in this section here you will need to choose the most relevant issue which you are facing right now. Tap on the box and from the drop down here select the issue you are facing. Once you have selected it, now you can scroll down and enter your credentials here. Tap on the second box and enter your email address there. After entering the email address, here in this box enter the subject of your issue. Once you type in the subject, here you will be able to see various suggested articles. From here, if you find the one that you are looking for, you can tap on one of them and review it to solve your problem. If not, you will need to scroll down and here continue filling up these details. In this box, here you will need to enter your account ID. Tap on this box and enter your account ID. After that, here you will be asked to enter your wallet address, which is optional. In the withdrawal network, you need to select it. And here you may need to select the network. After that, you can add a description about your issue. And if you have any files that supports your issue, you can tap on this add file option, which is just below the attachment box. And from there you can attach files here. After that, now you can tap on the submit button at the bottom and your request will be successfully submitted. Once your request has been successfully submitted, now Jumptask support will review your issue and contact you soon. So by following these steps, you should be able to contact Jumptask support. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any update from us. Thank you for watching.